I asked to Ma'am Sylvie, describe about light.
Okay, before I explain to you about light, I will introduce myself. My name is Sylvie. We are come from second grade teacher. Now we will learn about light. Light is energy in the form of electromagnetic wave. There are two kinds of light. The first is natural light. The second is artificial light. Jadi ada dua macam cahaya. Yang pertama adalah cahaya alami, yang kedua adalah cahaya buatan. Untuk yang pertama, natural light. Natural light is that come from the object by itself. Artinya adalah cahaya yang keluar dari benda itu sendiri tanpa ada bantuan dari atau pantulan dari benda lain. For example, fire, sun, firefly. You know firefly? Firefly is kunang-kunang. Ya. Jadi kunang-kunang itu adalah hewan yang bisa memancarkan cahaya dari tubuhnya sendiri.
So, Ma'am Liana, if there is a light, so exactly there is a shadow.
What is shadow?
Shadow formed by light blocked by opaque object. Opaque adalah benda padat yang tidak dapat ditembus oleh cahaya.
Can you give example of opaque object?
Opaque object around us is so many things. For example, table, chair, book. Semua benda-benda yang padat dan tidak bisa ditembus cahaya adalah opaque. The second example is artificial light. Artificial light is light come from the things that made by human. Jadi yang kedua adalah cahaya yang tercipta dari sebuah benda yang dibuat oleh manusia.
Can give example?
Okay, the example of artificial light is candle, lamp, and then flashlight, or phone, TV, and so many things.
How about the sun? What do you think about sun?
Sun is the biggest light energy source in the world. Matahari adalah sumber cahaya yang paling besar yang ada di dunia ini.
Can you explain about the characteristic of light?
Okay, the characteristic of light. First, light can be reflected. The second, light travel transparent object. The third, light can disperse. And the fourth, light travel straight line.
And how about the requirement of things?
Okay, the requirement things that can be seen. There are three. There are light, there are media, and there are vision organ like eyes.
How the light can disperse or propagate?
Okay, the one of characteristic light is can disperse. Disperse adalah diuraikan, or we can call it propagate. How the light can disperse or propagate? There are three ways. The first, there are light. The second, there are lens. And the third, there are water droplets. Water droplet adalah bintik-bintik air.
How the process?
The process light can disperse is when the object pass through the lens and get by water droplet so that monochromatic disperse become polychromatic disperse. Monokromatik adalah cahaya dengan satu warna. Polikromatik adalah cahaya dengan banyak warna. Jika ketika diuraikan akan menjadi bermacam-macam cahaya. Contohnya adalah proses terbentuknya pelangi.
Can you describe the function of light?
Of course, light is very important for our life, and light also has so many benefits for us. For example, to dry our clothes, and then to see something or all the things, and then to do photosynthesis for plants, and then to do all activity.